A very good afternoon to all of you. This is Abul Hassan from BIT Durg. This is a very new tutorial for you peoples. Here I am going to tell you about how we can make these curves which are having very regular ups and downs, and how we can approach to draw this profiles over the bottle by using parametric approach. Okay, you are seeing here these curves. The first one, this is in this curve you are seeing the speciality of this curve, that it is going on decreasing, the depth going on decreasing here on this area, and automatically the area gets round. This is for this I have think quite that how we can draw this type of profile. And similarly again in this profile also I am increasing the dimension of this, remove this section which is going to remove from this surface. It is gradually increasing while flowing through this trajectory. Okay, how we can approach in this tutorial? I have drawn already the model. To save our time, just I will go to the model tree to explain you. First of all, go to the sketch 1, edit definition, right click over here. I am clicking RMB, right click, go to edit definition. Okay, you can see here I am having a simple profile of bottle. I have just taken the rough dimension of this diameter. The length I have specified here 350. Okay, this is the simple cross section that turn off these dimensions. You can see this is the simple profile. Okay, subhanallah. Okay, this you are seeing here the cross section of a bottle, which I will revolve about this axis to make complete bottle, the section like bottle. Click it. Okay, you can see I have applied here revolve tool. Applying revolve tool, it's become like this. And as I have drawn open section, because of which the surface tool gets automatically selected here. If your section is closed in a sketch, closed from here, then it will draw a solid model. But in this case, we have draw a open section to draw. It's like a surface. Click preview. You can see this is simply a surface, the shape of a bottle only. Okay, click OK. Next, I have make a datum offset. As I have already tell you earlier that this bottle I have already drawn. To save my time, as I only having 10 minutes to record in particular software. Okay, here you are seeing I have offset the datum plane by the value of 39 by taking the bottom plane as a reference. Click OK. Okay, now draw a sketch like this on that datum plane. I have drawn a sketch on that plane. I make a circle on that plane. Click OK. By using that circle as a trajectory for variable section, you are seeing this green color trajectory. It is I am taking here for as a trajectory. Okay, then I have gone to sketch. There I have drawn a simply this cross section. What you are seeing here, this is simple cross section. After that, okay, let turn on the dimensions. Okay, now put first of all, initially I have drawn the center of this circle, this section quite offset from this line, means it is quite up to here. I have drawn this section. After that I have applied For example, let's take an example. Move this. This I am moving toward this direction. Okay, click OK. Means initially it is sorry. Means simply you can see another. I'm telling you by another example. I have drawn this here. Let's take an example, and after that I specified a definite value for this center. Means what? I have specified the center value from this axis, the distance. Then I put that this 23.71. Let's take an example in my relation. Go to tools, go to relation. There I have taken this SD, and at that time that is SD 15 as you see here, but in this case it is SD 31. I put the SD 31 in my relation. This dimension value is in my relation, as it is a linear distance center axis. I have put a relation here by typing this equation. As you see here, 7 into sine. Okay, 7 means maximum value from this point to this point. It will be the maximum value of the center point from this this axis is 7, because the internal value of this can only be 1, means 1 into 7. Again I have put a sine equation, because of which it can go to plus and minus value. As I have typed here 360 degree, it have to complete 360 degree while moving through this track. This it have to complete one complete revolution, means 0 to 360 have to complete in this area. And when we multiply with this 7, the 1 becomes 7. Again I put 6, multiply by 6, so that it will complete 6 cycles. Clear to all of you? Okay, click OK. I want to, this I have drawn, I have only for example. I am going to delete this. This when you put the relation there in tools relation, automatically this section will drag to this axis, because when sine here sine 0, the value of sine 0 is 0, and 7 into 0 also comes 0. That means this SD 15 becomes 0 at somewhat point. Click OK. That's why this section have come to this axis. Now click sketch. The very important thing here is that I have turned on this parametric references icon. Means for having sketch modeling with according to relation, this must be on. If it is off, you have to turn on this. It is simply a cross section float about this trajectory. There is no relation. I haven't taken the relation what we have typed there. Okay, click OK. Select this. You can see again it is taking the parametric relation of that particular dimension. Now click sketch, preview. Now click OK. After that, the simple thing I have done here, I have used the merge tool. Where it is? It is here. When you select the top surface and bottom surface, this merge tool gets selected. Okay, how? Means I have selected this first one, this surface and this surface by pressing Control key, and then I see that the merge tool gets selected. How? Go to merge tool. You can see it is now asking us which area you want to keep. The grid, the gridded area will remain there, and the rest of all will be deleted out. Okay, just you can flip this to see. Okay, now click OK. You can see the